How to fix can't join Roblox game. There are a lot of ways to fix can't play Roblox games. This happens when you try to join a game and can't seem to play this. Now, the first thing that you have to do is go to your Start menu in the lower left corner of your screen and just simply reboot your computer. This can be done by restarting or shutting down your device. Once you did that, Roblox should start working. Now, the next option is to uninstall and install your Roblox again. You can do this by going to your settings, then apps, apps and features, and then in the search bar, simply search Roblox. And once you see it, simply click it and uninstall. Once uninstalled, this is how you install it again. First, go to your browser and then click any game that you want, then click Display. Then Roblox will recommend you to download and install it since it detected that it doesn't have it on your computer. Simply click Download. And once Roblox is installed again, you can now go ahead and play your game. Now for the third option, if the browser and the app doesn't work for you, let's try to download it from your Microsoft Store. In your Microsoft Store, search for Roblox in the search bar, and you will see this app. Remember that it is completely free like the one in the browser, and just simply install it to your computer. Just follow the next steps that will be given, and that's it. You can now play Roblox that you have installed using Microsoft Store. This is the perfect solution when the browser app doesn't work for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.